Welcome back to Auto Vibes. Today we're exploring the bold and luxurious 2026 Toyota Fortuner Modellista, a premium SUV that perfectly blends power, style, and comfort. This special Modellista edition takes the iconic Fortuner to a whole new level with exclusive design upgrades, refined details, and a stronger road presence that instantly grabs attention. From the outside, the Fortuner Modellista looks aggressive and elegant at the same time. The custom Modellista body kit adds a sporty edge with a redesigned front bumper, sharp chrome accents, a bold grille, and sleek LED headlights that give it a modern and premium look. The sculpted body lines, stylish alloy wheels, and enhanced rear styling make this SUV look muscular, confident, and ready for any road, whether it's city traffic, highways, or rough terrain. Step inside the cabin, and you're welcomed by a premium and comfortable interior. High-quality materials, soft touch finishes, and refined detailing create a luxury atmosphere. The leather seats are supportive and comfortable for long drives, while the spacious layout provides excellent legroom and headroom for all passengers. The modern infotainment system features a large touchscreen, smartphone connectivity, navigation, and a premium sound system, keeping you connected and entertained on every journey. Practical storage spaces and a large cargo area make it perfect for families and travel lovers. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota Fortuner Modellista delivers confident and powerful driving. With strong engine options, a smooth automatic transmission, and solid road stability, it offers a balanced and reliable driving experience. It handles city roads smoothly, cruises comfortably on highways, and remains capable on off-road surfaces. The suspension system provides comfort without losing toughness, while the steering feels stable and controlled in all conditions. In terms of features, this SUV is packed with advanced technology and safety systems. You get multiple airbags, stability and traction control, advanced driver assistance features, parking sensors, a 360-degree camera, and intelligent driving modes for different terrains. It's designed to keep both driver and passenger safe and relaxed. Talking about price, the 2026 Toyota Fortuner Modellista sits in the premium category, making it more expensive than the standard Fortuner. However, the luxury design upgrades, advanced features, strong performance, and premium feel truly justify the price. If you're looking for a powerful, stylish, and luxurious SUV that offers comfort, performance, and strong road presence in one complete package, the 2026 Toyota Fortuner Modellista is definitely worth considering. This is Auto Vibes, and I'll see you in the next video. Fire.